Good morning, Masata. Po yung flow ng aking COT, prayer, greetings, checking of attendance, then classroom rules.
So, ang prayer ko po is copied from YouTube.
We thank you for the gift of life today. You allow us to have another day to praise you.
After Energizer, we have a quick review of our previous lesson. And then after that, I have activity. 4 picks one word. The student will guess the word. So my first word is interest. Second one, we have principal. Consists of 9 letters. The third one, time. Klaro naman po na time. And then the last one, rate. Rate po yung last na word. So based on our activity, I'm asking to my student who can guess our lesson. The student will guess our lesson. Their answer is simple interest. So simple interest is our lesson this afternoon. But before that, everybody please read our objectives. Objectives are define basic term in simple interest, illustrate simple interest, and solve word problem involving simple interest. Okay, we will have another activity. I am requesting everybody to please count 1 to 5. So group 1, group 2, 3, 4, and 5. You only have to do is to fix the cutted papers and then paste it on the board. So the first, sa group 1, yung nabuo nila po is yung seed. And then the next one, yung seed is tumubo na po. And then nakapat. After that, sa lupa, and then the last one is yung productive. Or how will it grow? So yan yung first question ko sa mga bata. Paano po tumubo yung seed, hindi naka-provide po, naging puno at dang puno naka-provide ng maraming bunga. And then, after how will it grow na question, another question is, can you please give me a real situation or experience that na ma-relate nyo dito sa ating activity. So the students will give more experiences or real life situation na ma-relate nila doon sa dito sa ating activity. Then the next one is, of course, before tayo makaproceed sa ating lesson, we need to know how to convert percent to decimal point because this is very important in solving simple. So the student will answer will convert the percent to decimal point. So 75, when you move that into right, from right to left 2 times, so the answer is 0.75 or just simply copy the 75 and then divide it into 100. Yan. 36.36 and then 45, move it to the left 2 times, that is 0.045. Next one we have 9. So 9 move to the left 2 times, 1, 2, so nagiging 0.09. Ang 4 naging 0.02 and then 3.6%. Yung point natin in between 3 and 6. So, i-move natin 2 times to the left. So, nagiging 0.36. Ayan. So, kailangan po talaga na malaman na estudyante or marunong sila mag-convert percent to decimal point. Next. Okay, dito nagbibigay po ako ng ng mga real situation din kung saan sila makakita ng percent or sa ano yung inaabangan nila. So, yung mga estudyante, yung reply nila dito is yung pinaka maraming na sumagot is yung sa Shopee. Sa Shopee online shopping. Okay. So, I have one problem, preliminary problem. So, the student will read the problem and then answer the question. So, the answer is 7,500 or 7,500. That is the 50% of 15,000. Just simply multiply 15, then point or 0 times 0.05 or 50%. So, half ng 15,000 is 7,500. Okay, basic term, rate. So, rate is the interest of which the principal amount is given to someone at a certain time. So, that is the rate. And then the second one is time, is the duration for which the principal amount is given to someone. Next, we have simple interest. Is the interest calculated on the principal portion of a loan or the original contribution to a savings account. And then the last one, we have principal amount. Is the amount due on any debt before interest or the amount invested before returns. Or this principal amount is the original money. So the formula of interest or simple interest, we have, okay, ito yung pyramid formula, interest over principal times rate times time. So if yung interest po yung unknown, if we are looking for interest, the formula is I equals to P times R times T. Yung sa ilalim ito po, so i-multiply lang po yan. Interest equals to P times R times T. If yung unknown ng ating problem is interest or yung hinahanap natin is yung interest. Then if the unknown is principal amount, the formula is principal, okay, equals to interest over rate times time. Kung madali lang yun, madali lang i-memorize if yung babasihan natin is yung pyramid formula. And then, if yung rate naman yung unknown, the formula is rate equals to interest times R times P times T. So, yan yung formula ng ating rate or pag hinahanap natin yung rate natin. And the next is yung time. If the time ang unknown, so ang formula is time equals to interest over rate times ay principal times rate. Okay, pasensya na po. Example. Our example, a bank offers 0.25% annual simple interest rate for a particular deposit. How much interest will be earned if 1 million pesos is deposited in the savings account for 1 year? Okay, class, what is the question or ano yung hinahanap natin sa ating question? Ang hinahanap natin is yung interest. How much interest will be earned if 1 million pesos? Ang first natin na gagawin is yung find what is asked. So, ang hinahanap dito is yung interest. And then, after natin mahanap or maano yung hinahanap sa ating problem, just simply write all the given. So, ano ba yung given ng ating problem? So, we have 25.25%. So, ang 25% that is our rate. And then, another one is yung 1 million pesos. Ano ba yung 1 million pesos? Okay, that is your principal. And then, the time is yung year. Okay, so isulat muna natin yung given natin para sure na hindi natin makakalimutan. So, after natin nasulat lahat ng kailangan, hanapin natin or ano ba yung formula na gagamitin natin. As I said a while ago, if yung interest yung unknown, so ito po yung ating formula. And then after that, ang gagawin lang natin is to substitute the principal. So ang value ng ating principal, ito yung P, is 1 million pesos. And then the rate, our rate is 0.25%. Convert that into decimal points. So that's why nagiging 0.0025 times. And then the T natin, ang T natin is yung 1 year or simply multiply 1. Okay, so nagiging 1 million times 0.0025 times 1. So the answer is 2,500 pesos yung interest ng 1 million within 1 year. Yung isa. Okay, our next example. A man invests 16,502 kinds treasury notes which yield 7.5% and 6% annually. After 2 years, he earns 2,442 in interest. How much does he invest at the 6% rate? So solution, let X be the amount invested at 6% rate. And then the amount invested in 7.5% account is 16,500 minus X. So, yan yung mga kailangan natin. So, bakit naging 16,500 minus X yung sa 7.5% is because we don't know what is the amount he invested at 6%. So, given after 2 years, total interest earned in both that accounts is 2,442. So, interest at 6% rate plus interest at 7.5% rate equals to 2,442. So, X times 6% times 2 years time, plus 16,500 minus X times 7.5% times 2 or 2 years equals to 2,442. So, X multiply 0.15. So the answer is 0.15x equals to 2,442. The next one, i-convert o i-combine natin si 0.12 at saka si 0.15x. Since we have positive 0.12x minus 0.15x, so ang naiwan is 0.03x equals to 2,442. Next, 2,475 minus, so anong ginawa natin? I-transpose natin o pagsama-samahin natin yung walang variable. So, si 2,442, dinala natin sa left side, so nagiging negative. Positive Pag transfer natin sa kabila, nagiging negative yung sign. So, minus 2,442. Yung negative sign ni 0.03x, tinransfer natin sa kabila or transpose natin sa kabila. So, nagiging positive yung sign. So, 0.03x. Okay? So, 2,475 minus 2,442. The result is 33 equals to 0.03x. Next, divide both sides by 0.03 para maiwan or makancel natin si coefficient ni x para ang maiwan na lang sa kabila is si x. So, divide natin both sides. So, 0.03x divide 0.03 and then 33 divide 0.03. Okay? So, cancel natin si 0.03 sa kabilang side. So, ang naiwan is si x na lang. And this is 33 divide 0.03. So, meron na tayong, ang result is 1,100. So, therefore, yung amount na ininvest niya doon kay 6% is 1,100 pesos. Yung principal amount kay 6%. Okay? So, yan yung answer. So, hence, the amount invested at 6% rate is 1,100 pesos. Next, proceed tayo to our next activity. Or ito na yung application natin, class. So, application, a title of activity is Who Am I? Okay, I have here black strip. You only have to do is to write your answer sa strip and then at the count of 5, you will raise your answer. Okay, are you ready? Sige. I am the rate of interest at which the principal amount is given to someone at a certain time. Who am I? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is rate. Very good. Next, I am the duration for which the principal amount is given to someone. Who am I? Okay, the answer is time. I am the interest calculated on the principal portion of a loan or the original contribution to a savings account. Who am I? Okay, the answer is simple interest. Very good. Then the last, another one, I am the amount due on any debt before interest or the amount invested before returns. Who am I? Very good. So the answer is principal amount. Next answer. Next question. I am the 10% of 150. Who am I? 1, 2, raise your answers. The answer is 15 pesos. Next, I am the 25% of 500. Who am I? Very good. So the answer is 125. So, thank you so much sa Okay, matatag before na ako. Thank you so much for your active participation. Mga matatag, before ko siya i-end yung activity namin. So, meron po akong message sa bawat grupo. Yung message ko po sa pinakaunang grupo or group 1 is yung time to move. Yung sa mga bata, yung parang encouragement sa based dito sa picture na pinapakita ko sa kanila. Yung makakonect talaga sila doon sa sa sinabi ko. Then next, meron for group 2, ito yung binigay ko, time to improve. And then for group 3, time for review, and then group 4, time to think big, and for group 5, don't wait for perfection, it's time for progress. So kayo na po ang bahala kung ano po yung message nyo dito sa kanila, yung additional message nyo, yung encouragement na mga messages para po sa mga bata. And then for evaluation po, ito po yung binigay ko sa kanila. Dalawa lang po. Yun lang po, dalawa. Tapos, answer sa question. And then after evaluation, after na mapasa nila or maansera namin yung quiz nila, is ito na po yung assignment. So, dito po nagtatapos yung aking COT. So, this is my first time to make a video po, mga kamatatag, masatag. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na lang po. Thank you.
Please
like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
Thank you for watching.